You won't believe your eyes. I'm about to show you again something. Probably you've never seen it. Check this out. Look at this iPad. It's the Apple iPad. Obviously, screen is cracked. Alright, let me show you. Right here, inside is cracked and the outside is cracked. But watch this. I don't know how people live like this. Look at this. And this is not even coming off. Oh my god. Look how gross is this. Look how gross is this. How would you leave your iPad like that? I don't get it. I really don't get it. So we're gonna deep clean this iPad and fix the screen and the LCD as well. Let's get it. What do you think is this? How often do you change your case? Comment below. How many cases do you own for your phone or tablet? Because it looks like they never took the case off this iPad. See all this. I'm trying not to scratch it. That's why I use plastic razor. This is so thick. Look at all this dirt. It's unbelievable. How do you live like this? I wonder how the houses look like. So the color changed already. Let's be careful on the ports. I don't want to put any water inside. Looks more sticky here. Gosh, there is some even DNA here. Look at all this hair. See, like my glove stick on it. It's like candy. They eat like some candy on there. Because of dirt, the button doesn't even click. Look, this one clicks. Look, you see? I had to push it down to make this work. I'm gonna get those out of the screen as well, so I can start fixing on the iPad. I don't want to touch this before I fix it. clean this too. Now we're gonna transfer this home button to new screen, so that's what I'm talking about. Time to fix screen and the LCD as well. This one is being shy, it's hiding. Okay. I'm going to turn it off the iPad first. I'm gonna clean the frame. We have to take all these broken glasses out. And old adhesive we have to replace with a new one. Screen is fixed. Time to deep clean these gross cases. How do you clean your cases? What do you use? Comment below, I would like to know. Or what's the best way to clean cases like this? What's your secret? Let me know. They never cleaned this before. Inside is nasty. You don't want to even touch this. This one looks bad. The moment you all have been waiting for. Your iPad is ready, sir. Look at this. Look at this. Can I get a wow? I believe you already know how old is this person, right? Wow. And let's see the cases. How clean is this now? How clean is this? And the front. And the rubber piece.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes. Pieces is a form of art. I'm never gonna look back.